I want to give all praises to Yahweh Ba'ashim, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashim Rakakwadash, and that's like to give the honor to our teachers, the apostles, the elders of Great Millstone, GMS, who taught us 100% truth according to the Bible, who's being greatest ever to us in the faith. Double Shalom to the icons, cause the four winds pushing this word with faith, truth, and sincerity, also giving diligent. This is Zephaniah chapter 3 verse 5 says, the just Lord is in the midst thereof. He will not do iniquity. Every morning does he bring his judgment to light. He faileth not. And that's what we sin. Okay. At least 5 people died due to a massive snowstorm, including 4 at a ski resort. This is the judgment of Yahweh Ba'ashim Shai. It says, and one crushed by a plow. It says the area where the 5 people died was hit with multiple inches of snow. Okay, and today is what, the 23rd. This was put up the 21st, 2026. It says at least 5 people have died due to a massive snowstorm. It says 4 died at a ski resort, while 1 person died due to a snow plow accident. At least 5 people have died due to a massive snowstorm. Again, this is judgment from Yahweh Ba'ashim Shai, as the scriptures say. Every morning, the Heavenly Father, through His Son, okay, Yahweh Ba'ashim Shai, bringing forth judgment to light. Every single day, judgment is going out. It says, he faileth not, but the unjust knoweth no shame. Yeah, the ones of our people that's unjust, unrighteous, okay, who are rebellious, don't want to take heed to the message. They don't know any shame. But I just want to bring this article out. Okay, at least 5 has been killed in this snowstorm, and as the scriptures say, Deuteronomy 32:39, the Lord killeth and maketh alive. Okay, this is the work of Yahweh Ba'ashim Shai. Okay, great judgment is has been waged upon this place, and only the elect will be protected. So, fear the Lord, man. Australia snow 2 days ago. Australia snow disaster. 5 killed as storm triggers blackouts and travel disruption. And there's more articles. Snowstorm leaves at least 5 deleted. Yep. Power chaos. Avalanches kills 2 skiers. That was a week ago. But yeah, man. Judgment is going forth. Fear the Lord. Giving all praises to Yahweh Ba'ashim Shai. Double honor to our teachers, the apostles, the elders of Great Millstone, GMS, who taught us 100% truth according to the Bible, who's been greatest to us in the faith. Peace and salutation to the elect.